Hello everyone and welcome to day 24 of our ACT Math Prep Review. Let's get started here. It says, in the right triangle below, the measure of angle C is 90 degrees. And they show that, right, by putting the little square there that represents 90 degrees. AB is 5 units and CB is 2 units. What is the tangent of B? All right, so first of all, you don't know how to do the problem. You have absolutely no idea whatsoever. So what are you going to do? You're going to look at your answers and see if there's something you can reason to throw out. I've got 2 answers using the square root of 21, and I've got 2 answers with 3 on the top. And then I've got the E there. That seems like it's a little different. So if I didn't know how to do the problem, the first thing I would do is throw out E. Next, it's a right triangle, so we can find side AC using the Pythagorean theorem. Remember, this is A, this is B. You can interchange A and B, and this is C. So the Pythagorean theorem tells us A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I'm looking for A. Then I got B is 2 and C is 5. So A squared, 2 times 2 is 4. 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25. Now, we know that 21 plus 4 is 25, right? So A squared is going to be 21. But let's just do the math. A squared equals 21. But remember, we're looking for A, not A squared. To get rid of a square, use square root. So A is the square root of 21. Since we found A to be the square root of 21, I would throw out these 2 answers now. And now you got a 50-50 chance of getting this right. What you need to remember when you're working with a right triangle and you're using tangent, sine, or cosine, you need to remember SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Keep that in your head. Whenever you think right triangle, ding, 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 SOHCAHTOA. What does this mean again? Sine is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. Look at the letters. SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. Now, what are we looking for? We're looking for the tangent of B. So we're looking for the tangent of B. Well, tangent, from what I just showed you, tangent of B is going to be the side opposite over the side adjacent. So tangent B, the side opposite that angle is square root of 21. The side right next to it is 2. So there's your answer, A. Now, if you struggle with the difference between adjacent and hypotenuse, the hypotenuse is always the largest side, right? So if we're talking about this angle right here, you've got the hypotenuse, which is the largest side. The other side is the adjacent side. The adjacent is always one of the legs of your right triangle. Your 2 legs make the 90 degrees. I hope this was helpful. Before you take your exam, make sure that you know SOHCAHTOA and know that it's only used for right triangles. You can find an angle measure or a length using that. All right. Hope you have a good day. Hope this was helpful.